Hello, good day, everybody. Yeah, we have our algebra right here. So they asked us to look for S. So let's see what is S. So let me repeat the question right here. I'm going to have x plus 1 over x minus 2 equals 3 over 4, right? So what do we do right here? So here we are going to what? Cross multiply. We're going to cross multiply. So I have the question right here as plus 1 over x minus 2 equals 3 over 4 right here. So right here I'm going to what? Have 4 to multiply s plus 1 and what? Have 3 to multiply s minus 2, right? So they are multiplying whatever they are not carrying. So I will use this analogy to what buttress my points, right? So yeah, I have, let me go to my black ink. I'm going to have 4, open a bracket, you have x plus 1, close a bracket, equals 3, open a bracket, you have x minus 2, close the bracket, right? So we'll proceed right here. So I'm going to have 4 times s is going to be what? 4x. 4 times 1 is going to be what? You have the sign right, which is multiplication, sorry, addition plus. Put it there before you multiply anything. 4 times 1 is going to be what? 4 also, because anything multiplied by 1 is still the same thing. So put the quality sign right here. Equate it to what? 3, open a bracket, s minus 2, close the bracket. So you're going to have here, because the bracket there means what? Multiplication. So you're going to have here 3 times s is going to be what? 3x, right? So you're going to have 3 times 2 is going to be what? 6. Before you do that, there's a subtraction sign which is minus in between s and 2. Put the minus there, because that can mess you up if you don't put it right, right? So 3 times 2 is going to be what? Minus 6, right? So we proceed. Here, I'm going to be what? Let me write everything for clarity. So I'm going to have 4s plus 4 equals 3x minus 6, right? So I'm going to take like terms, right? Take like terms. By taking like terms, I'm going to have 4s, I have 3s. So what? Take like terms, right? So I'm going to have 4s, which is the landlord, let it be there. So 3s is crossing the quality sign. It's crossing the quality sign. When it does that, the sign will change. I will see that every day. So you're going to have minus 3x equals. So here, before you do anything, minus 6 is the what? Landlady. She has to be there, minus 6. So you're having a sister coming to visit minus 6. And when she crosses, her sign will change to negative, right? So when she was in that place, she was positive, right? When it crosses the equality sign, she'll change to what? Negative. So I'm going to have what? Minus 4, right? So at this junction, so we have 4s minus 3s, right? It's like you're having what? $4, but you're having what? $3. When you pay your debt, it's going to be what? You're going to be left with what? $1. So yeah, I'm going to be having what? X or 1s. So there's invisible one, right? They don't put the one, but it's call it S, right? For beginner, that's what I'm saying, 1S, because I know a lot of people are watching my video. So I'm going to what? Equal this to what? Minus 6 minus 4 is going to be what? Minus 10, because you are owing $6 and you are owing $4. So your total debt now is what? $10, right? So it's what? Deficit, negative, right? So yeah, you're going to have what? X equals what? Minus 10. This is the answer. Thank you for watching. Please endeavor to subscribe, like, and share. If there's any comment, leave it at the comment section below. As I said, I'm going to be having free course coming soon, like indices or exponents or algebra, fraction, a lot of them to equip my beginners, so that people that are learning, so like the beginners to learn. Thank you so much. Have a great day.